Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a wonderful face mask that works for all skin type for men and women. This mask helps our skin to remove tanning and get glowing skin naturally. Please watch the full video to know the benefits. Gram flour will help to exfoliate the skin and remove the tan. Curd has the bleaching agent to fight suntan quickly. Turmeric can be a great way to get rid of suntan. Add little lemon juice as it makes wonders to remove summer tan. Please ignore lemon if you have sensitive skin. Mix all the ingredients together to form a paste and apply it all over your face. The ingredient has certain properties that treat skin problems. This mask makes skin smooth and glowing. This soft creamy face mask is for all skin type. It helps to moisturize and keep skin hydrated. Please note this mixture cannot be stored. Make sure to keep it away from eyes as it can cause irritation. This mask can also be applied all over the body to remove tanning and will leave your skin feeling brighter. Try this face mask thrice a week for effective result. The mask will dry naturally and you can wash it off with the cold water after 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Hope the information shared is useful. Please do give a like and comment if any suggestion or a request.
Please, not please.